President Mnangagwa put members of ZANU-PF Politburo on the spot on Wednesday after questioning their participation in the party's National Day program, signaling concern over declining commitment among senior party officials. Sabina Mashkobrachin's Mnangagwa agrees Politburo members over banking ZANU-PF Day. We were subscribed or like on the bill icon. Jimina Mnangagwa Kwamchinzi. Speaking during a ZANU-PF Politburo meeting in Harare, Mnangagwa reportedly asked members to account for whether they had attended the party event held over the weekend, stressing the importance of active involvement in grassroots party structures. The president urged senior officials to remain committed to party programs and do not treat such activities as optional, emphasizing that all members, regardless of rank, should respect party structures at the local level. Addressing Politburo members, Mnangagwa said, those attending Day activities should not behave as though they are above local leadership. Kana masvika ikoko, musanova vatungamiriri, munogarawo pasi, motongwa nachairman weSEL kana chairman wedistrict. Ndizvo zvandinoita kana ndaenda kwangu kwekwe, he said. In his remarks, Mnangagwa underscored the importance of humility and discipline within the ruling party, saying even senior leaders must submit to local SEL and district leadership during party activities. His comments appeared aimed at reinforcing internal party discipline while encouraging greater participation in grassroots mobilization efforts, which ZANU-PF continues to regard as central to maintaining its political machinery. His Excellency President Mnangagwa inquires from Politburo members who attended last weekend's ZANU-PF National Day and encourages continued participation in such party programs. He reminds them, kana masvika ikoko, musa nova vatungamiri, munogarawo pasi navo, motongwa nachairman weSEL kana chairman wedistrict. Ndomba developments ari kuda panguva inoyi. Mina comment section medu dzofundo any more kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, continue to turn the bell icon.